Hello and welcome back to another video, and this time it's about Python, and it's not just about Python. If you move towards the documentation, I'm specifically focusing on the latest version of Python, which is in development, Python 3.13.085. There might be more different versions in the future, but I'm starting right now with Python 3.13.085. So first, I'm going to study what's new in Python 3.13. Editor TBD, this article explains the new features in Python 3.13 compared to 3.12. For full details, see the changelog. Note, pre-release users should be aware that the document is currently in draft form. It will be updated substantially as Python 3.13 moves towards release. So it's worth checking back even after reading earlier versions. Summary release highlights. Important deprecations, removals, or restrictions. PEP 594, the remaining 19 dead batteries have been removed from the standard library. AIFC, Audio OP, CGI, CGI-TB, Chunk, Crypt, IMG Mailcap, MSI LIB, NIS, NNTP LIB, OSS, Audio Dev, Pipes, SND, HDR, SPWD, SUNAU, Telnet LIB, UU, and XDR LIB. EP602. Annual release cycle for Python has been updated. Python 3.9-3.12 have 1.5 years of full support, followed by 3.5 years of security fixes. Python 3.13 and later have 2 years of full support, followed by 3 years of security fixes. Interpreter improvements. A basic JIT compiler was added. It is currently disabled by default, though we may turn it on later. Performance improvements are modest. We expect to be improving this over the next few releases. Alright, so this is a JIT compiler. We're not going to be focusing on that. We just have to go through this, what's new in Python 3.13. Improved error messages. These are the new features. The interpreter now colorizes error messages when displaying tracebacks by default. This feature can be controlled via the new Python colors environment variable, as well as the canonical no color and force color environment variables. See also controlling color. Alright. When an incorrect keyword argument is passed to a function, the error message now potentially suggests the correct keyword argument. Right, so this is the better error messages. Dot split max split is equal to 1. Traceback most region call last. File stdin line 1 in module. Better error messages. Dot split max split is equal to 1. Type error split got an unexpected keyword argument max split. Didn't mean max split. Incremental garbage collection. The cycle garbage collector is now incremental. This means that maximum pause times are reduced by an order of magnitude or more for larger heaps. Other language changes. Allow the count argument of str.replace to be a keyword. Contributed by Hugo van Kemenade in GH106487. If I'm pronouncing anything wrong, or if I'm pronouncing the names of someone wrong, I do want to say that I'm sorry. I apologize. I do not mean to mispronounce your names. I just don't know how to pronounce your names. All right. There's a bunch of different names, and they're like very big, and I don't know how to pronounce those names. So my apologies if I'm mispronouncing anything. My highest apologies once again. I'm just reading through this document. This is the official Python document. All right. So please do not get offended. Please do not be offended. Compiler now strip indents from docstrings. Before that, right? So str.replace. All right. So this is the in order to study str.replace, right? String str.replace. So now this is contributed by Hugo van Kemenade in GH106487. So now we can use the count argument of this to be a keyword. Now what that means is, look, you can see over here I'm using count is equal to 1. So now here count is being used as a keyword. So if I run this, what we're basically doing, I wrote a new variable, original string, and then I stored the string inside this variable. And now I made a new variable and I named it new string. What I did next was I'm trying to replace coding with code only once. So what's going to happen is the output is going to be we love code and coding is awesome. Look. I think we need to show this. Print new string. Yeah, here it is. We love code and coding is awesome. So what this basically did is that you can see it says that allow the count argument of str to replace to be a keyword. So if I try to do this without count, let me just try this. And if I save this, if I run it now, we love code and coding is awesome. Look, both have the same outputs, but the difference over here is that now what I'm doing is I'm using count as a keyword. I can do it like this, and I can do it like this as well, without the count keyword. But the difference is that this is like it's telling, it's more, how do I say this? It's better, you know? It's explicit. It's much better this way. I know that the count is equal to 1 this way. So what is equal to 1? Obviously the count. So this is making it more clear by adding the keyword count as a keyword. So basically this is good. We've made it more clear. Everything is becoming more clear just by adding count as a keyword. Alright, so this is how you can use the str.replace, alright? str.replace, here it is. These are the, look, returns a copy of the string with all occurrences of substring old. Replaced by new. If count is given, only the first count occurrences are replaced. If count is not specified or -1, then all occurrences are replaced. And now you can see over here that changed in version 3.13. Count is now supported as a keyword argument. And that's what we did. We used count as a keyword argument. And now look, it says here that if count is not specified or -1, then all occurrences are replaced. So I haven't specified it. So let's see what happens now. Look, yeah, that's correct. We love code and code is awesome. The original string was we love coding and coding is awesome, but the new string is we love code and code is awesome. So basically what it did is that since I didn't use the keyword count, right? And I also didn't use any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. I didn't use any number. So I didn't specify any numbers. And so that's why all the occurrences were replaced. We were trying to replace coding with code, but since I didn't use any numbers, I didn't specify it. So what it did was that it replaced all the occurrences, right? It replaced all the occurrences. That is why we see code. We love code and code is awesome. That is one of the reasons. Alright, so let's not delve into this. Let's stick to this document first, this page. What's new in Python 3.13? Alright, so how much have we covered? So we've done it till str.replace. This is it for today. Alright, I hope you have a nice day. I hope all of you watching the video get good things in life and you get a lot of success and happiness. And I hope all good things for you all, and I hope happiness and peace in your life, and good things in your life. I hope all of you get good health, and I hope all of you get good stuff and good things in life, yeah, and all that. Alright, so thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.